Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Iman Afifah binti Muhammad Taufik. So today I'm going to present about animal entertainment should be banned. Do you recall that fantastic experience you had visiting an animal entertainment park with your family? And also, do you know that animal that entertain people by performing or being shown in public known as entertainment animals? Weekend trips with family to various locations that feature animal entertainment may seem to be the joyous time for them, but for the animal involved may not feel the same way. Roughly 96% of elephants that keep in entertainment facility receive a poor treatment, according to statistics. Do you know how far the marine animal can travel in the wild? Do you know how horses can compete successfully? You won't believe what humans do to these powerless creatures to satisfy our desires. The animals in dolphin or whale show are confined in the small tank, despite the fact that they travel 40 to 100 miles a day in the wild. Viewers may observe that the animals are in a good health because they can perform well, but in fact they are not in the good mental health. Cocaine or others illegal medication frequently put into horses to mask any pain that they may be experienced during competition. The registered thoroughbred horses in the US, Canada, and Puerto Rico, according to the Jockey Club, estimate that 50 thoroughbreds pass away on the US racetrack each week. Before reading the study about the use of animals for entertainment, I could never have imagined that animals would go through such suffering to make us feel entertained. Based on my research, I think going to the organization that offers animals entertainment indicates support for animals abuse. In order to prevent the location from drawing tourists and eventually closing, I want to convince every one of you today to cease attending animal entertainment events. We wish to care for other creatures, support in their recovery, and give them freedom in the wild, instead of being selfish human beings who only consider their feelings. While the appearance of animal entertainment may seem appealing, especially for family on a trip, it has sinister backstory. Circus animals must endure severe mental and physical deprivation while being confined in unsuitable circumstances for almost their entire lives. The animals must travel 11 months a year in the boxcar, with no temperature control and no designated area for eating, sleeping, or urinating in order to perform in the circus. When released, these animals are trained using harsh forms of disciplines, include pushing, punching, lashing, and shocking with electrical parts. Most itinerary stops are not inspected, despite the fact that the United States of United States Department of Agriculture (USDA) established minimum requirements of care. A serious risk to public health and safety is posed by wild animal behavior. Elephants used in circus have the potential to transmit bacterial illness, tuberculosis (TB) to humans. Numerous circus have used TB-positive elephant in public performance according to public data. It is not legally compulsory for circus to have emergency anesthesia equipment on hand, though local law enforcement officials might be obliged to handle unattended animals. Circus have caused more than 100 injuries to people globally since 1990s. Elephants are kept in captivity in circus, where their quarters are as small as 5 feet long. These elephants' native range in the wild would span up to 2,300 square miles. Circus like Barnum and Bailey Circus and Ringley Brothers Circus state that they actively promote wildlife conservation and education. These circus highlight captive breeding program in North America that produce the animals for entertainment purpose. These circus highlight captive breeding programs in North America that produce animals for entertainment purpose. But they don't do much to increase public awareness of the biggest concern facing wild elephant today: human expansion to their territory and habitat loss. So, to prevent this problem, we need to promote the local performance of animal-free circus, encourage animal-free circus to appear at well-known venues in order to contribute to the positive development of the movement to outlaw the use of animals in circus. This will shift the power balance away from animal abusers by emphasizing how much more enjoyable these cruelty-free circus are, and how they provide a healthy type of entertainment without involving animal exploitation. In the entertainment industry, money talks louder than words, and circus that exploit their animals for profit will soon go out of business if demand declines to an unprofitable level. So, to prevent this problem, we need to promote the local performance of animal-free circus, encourage animal-free circus to appear at well-known venues in order to contribute to the positive development of the movement to outlaw the use of animals in circus. This will shift the power balance away from animal abusers by emphasizing how much more enjoyable these cruelty-free circus are, and how they provide a healthy type of entertainment without involving animal exploitation. In the entertainment industry, money talks louder than words, and circus that exploit their animals for profit will soon go out of business if demand declines to an unprofitable level. You can put an end to this by signing petition to have animals circus prohibited in the location where they aren't already. The United States have made significant progress in ending the use of animals in circus, and petitions have been valuable tools for government representatives to understand public sentiment on the subject. If you are one of the few states that have not yet forbidden this injustice to animals, find the most recent large-scale petition on the subject to voice your support. When a circus with animals come to town, organize a boycott by the community. So your town will be venue for the circus. This is the ideal chance for you to inform the member of your neighborhood about the true injustice associated with animal shoe by distributing flyers and having conversation with locals about the problems. Plan a large-scale boycott and peacefully demonstration against circus. In conclusion, authorities closed the animal entertainment facility as a result of public pressure and the boycott, which also prevented injuries to animals, so that the government is aware of public opinion. Ask those in your area to sign a petition condemning the use of animals in entertainment. Therefore, if you want to amuse yourself, choose a location that does not use animals so that you can enjoy yourself without hurting any others living things. In order to prevent us from being the cause of an animal's losing its environment due to prolonged confinement. Remember that animals have their own territories in the wild.